everyone, this is Gail, the Happy Stamper. Thanks for visiting with me today. I've got a fun project for you, and I'm going to share with you the products that I used, but here it is. It's a cute little Mother's Day gift, and inside this box I have decorated the outside. I used our Fresh Florals Designer Series paper. I really like the powder pink. And I'll show you inside in just one second. I used my Stampin' Right markers to color, and I used our powder pink and lemon lime twist. And what started this whole thing was I won some of these 3x3 envelopes, the little Whisper White envelopes that are so darn cute. I love these. So I won these at a stamping event with the team that I'm on, and so that's what kind of started this whole thing. And I just got an order in yesterday, and so I wanted to get down here right away and play. I've also used some of our foiled doilies, which are just so pretty, even, you know, for any occasion, not just Christmas and things. And then the stamp set that I used is a Mother's Flair. I love this. I went old school and I got wood, which I'm really enjoying actually. So I was excited to use that. And then for the little sentiment here where it says Happy Mother's Day, that came from Teeny Tiny Wishes. And this is a spectacular sentiment stamp set. And it has something for everything and more. Showers, Easter, birthday, St. Patrick's Day, newlywed, thinking of you, get well, everything. This is a must-have if you are a stamper or even a scrapbooker. This is spectacular. So this is the little box that I created. Now I had a package of these left over from Halloween. So I'm like, oh, I want to use these up. These were our mini pizza box. Well, I just realized we don't sell these anymore. Those were from the Occasions catalog at Halloween. Rats. So I apologize for that, but I'm sure, you know, anyone could find a how-to video on making a pizza box here on YouTube. So I made a little belly band, and this is the box, and I decorated all around with the cute little papers. And then inside, I made a sweet little set of note cards. And they come with the matching envelopes because that's what started this whole thing. So I came up with 3 designs, and I made 2 of each. So I made these with this darling little teapot, and they're just enough bling. I didn't want to go too over the top. I have them going in different configurations. So these open this way, and I left them blank inside so you could, you know, use them for any occasion. But those are the little teapot, which would be cute if you had, you know, a little tea bag that you attach to it. And I used the falling snow background stamp here to do the dry embossing. So super cute, and just added a few little rhinestones. And then I'm just going to stick these back in here. I did this design. I think this one's my favorite. Again, these open from the top now, but I left them blank inside, and I stamped the adorable little purse. Added some of our little mini sequin trim, which is just precious. And then I cut one of our white lace doilies, and I cut it into 4ths, so you could get 4 out of 1 doily. And then I just ruffled it behind the image, and I popped these up on pop dots, and then I just added a little rhinestone here in the center of the purse, kind of like a little buckle. So that's the second design. And then the third design I came up with was the shoe. And who doesn't love shoes? Raise your hand. I love shoes, and I have a gazillion. But this was another one that, again, I left it blank inside so it could be used for any occasions. I used our silver-edged baker's twine. Again, just one little rhinestone, and I did our striped embossing folder that's in the occasions catalog. I can't think of the name of it off the top of my head, but I'll put it up here somewhere for you. And so, yeah, I just colored the flowers and, you know, with the powder pink and the lemon lime twist marker on the leaves, and created another really sweet little card. So that is that project that I did for you, and I think that is just a really cute a gift idea, if you will. I think it's just lovely. I know I would love to receive this. So yeah, that is my Mother's Day project for you, just kind of getting a jump start on that. So I think, you know, I may offer this as a card kit class. Let me know what you think. Again, we no longer sell the pizza boxes, but I do have some. So I may be able to do this for a limited amount, and then you would just need to get the stamp set. I wanted to mention also, just quickly, Celebration is coming to an end on March 31st. We have new products if you would like to choose from those, in addition to the regular ones that are still here. And there's some really nice things here, so I don't want you to miss out. So that is my project for you today, you guys. I hope you liked this. I know, I think it's just adorable. I would love to receive it. So I hope this gives you some ideas. The note cards are available, or the envelopes are available. I just made the note cards out of our Whisper White cardstock. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. As always, big hugs from me to you. I will see you in my next video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So have a great rest of your day, you guys. Bye-bye.